What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be a good day. Today it is snowing here in Washington. Let me just go ahead and show you guys what it looks like right now. See if you can look around. There's snow all over the place. Sorry, let's just kind of take a look around. Yeah, I put that towel right there just to make sure that it doesn't get iced up and covered with snow. But yeah, see, look at this. Anyway, so today there's no school for the boys, and I wanted to see if we can just go ahead and stay at the house or stay in the house and just kick back or do whatever we can just to enjoy the day. Today it's really not that snowing hard, but it's, you know, you can still drive around, but that's really not that important. Today we're gonna do some barbecue. I know this neighborhood is gonna be going crazy because of the fact I do not need that candy right now. Anyway, today we're gonna do some barbecue, so let's go ahead and hit the backyard, and so we can fire up the grill and get it started. All right, we'll see you guys in a few. We want to say thank you guys for coming back again to watch our video, our vlog. I know it's been kind of crazy right now. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you, the fans and the subscribers, the new subscribers. If we have not said Happy New Year to you guys in our last videos, we want to take this time to say Happy New Year. So Happy New Year to you. Hope you guys had a wonderful New Year's celebration or whatever, and let's go ahead and start this year with some good positive vibes, and yeah, let's get to the back. Right, see you guys in a few. Alright guys, so we're in the backyard. All the snow have been melting down a little bit, so we're gonna fire up the grill and let's see what we can do, okay? What is this? Okay, let's put it back. I do not like that. Ta-da! Alright, let's start barbecuing. That's what we got. Okay, so we're gonna start barbecuing. Hopefully we have a... Where's my help? Where are those guys? Where did they go? Anyway, let's start, because we're hungry. Don't worry guys, I already cleaned the grid. I already cleaned the grid. I cleaned everything. Thanks guys for helping me.
Okay, wait.
Uh-huh. That's what I get from you guys. Huh? No love. Okay.
Hey, do not run.
Fine. If you guys don't help me, this is only for me and mommy.
Okay, let's stop that.
Alright. The barbecue is ready.
Can I take off this?
What? No. Wait. We gotta turn this off a little bit. Okay. Okay, look at this, guys. Wow, look at you. Like, that's what you wear out here?
Yeah.
Look. Let's see. What did? Anyway,
Hey,
you guys say hi to everybody.
What's up, guys?
Hi.
It's Morrison, and right now we're barbecuing because I think
Can you wipe their face? Because it's kind of blurry. Oh, never mind. Sorry, guys. Anyway, Elston, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. Can you guys help me? Because, wow, seriously? Alright, I'm going to sit you guys down for a little bit. Because these guys cannot help me. They're enjoying their time with the snow. So, I guess I'm all by myself. Bear with me, guys.
I caught it.
Bear with me.
Yeah.
Guys.
Hi.
Can you guys go on the other side, please?
Yeah, dude.
Stay out of the kitchen.
Can we get a shovel? Huh?
Can you just like do what you have to do, please?
Can we get a shovel?
No.
Bench.
Oh, guys, it's looking really good now. It's kind of, we got some snowflakes coming down. It's not really that hard, but it's kind of fun. Especially, it's fun when you're off. Guys, I'm telling you guys, right now all the neighbors are really gonna think that we're crazy. But that's the beauty of it. That's just the beauty of it. You know, when you're crazy, there's probably nothing wrong about you being crazy, especially when you're cooking real good food, and that's all that matters. Food, good food, happy time, good quality time with your kids and your family, nothing else. But who barbecues even when it rains or when it snows? Let us know, guys, down in the comment section below. Let us know if you guys do barbecuing even when it's snowing. Alright, well, the barbecue is starting to come together. We're getting there. I'm gonna go ahead and close this off a little bit just so, yeah. Excuse the mess out here. Anyway, how are you guys? Tell us, what are you guys doing right now as you're watching this video? Are you eating? What are you doing? Because if you are eating, that's good, because we are just making you hungry for more food. Alright, see you guys in a little bit.
Hey.
Alright, hey, what do you think, guys? Let's get a close up on looking good. What do you think? What do you guys think? Huh?
This is what we do when we don't have a heater outside. We just go over the fire and put our gloves like this.
It's kind of close, but oops! Oops!
Whoa!
I gotta flip it. It's
What's
a little
good,
bit zoomed in.
guys?
That's why.
It's Morrison.
You want to know the reason why we are barbecuing, guys, today?
Why?
So today it's It's a celebration for the loss that we had yesterday for the Seahawks. And unfortunately, because of usually people celebrate a victory, but because it was a loss, we wanted to do it a little bit different.
I don't know how to do this.
Do what?
Make it to your face.
Because you're a stinky boy, you haven't showered. Just hold this. Hold this, thank you very much. This is a really good team, guys. We all help each other out. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
I just noticed.
What do you
That's
know?
why the camera's bad.
Why?
It zoomed in like 2.6.
I know. That's why you're a stinky boy.
That's why Martian couldn't go to your face.
Because you're a stinky boy.
Oh.
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Because I know this guy, he always likes barbecue. Whenever, you know, in the middle of the chef cooking, and he'll be like, "Oh, I want some, I want some." What? Gotta
Can I
wait for
see that?
everybody to eat now. Huh?
Oh, whoops. Sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys. Sorry,
Why are you wearing nice clothes in the snow?
Church clothes.
Look at that. Just stop worrying about me.
Oh, you're a really good photographer, man. I mean, not photographer, videographer. Oh, okay. Did you show them what it looks like right now?
No.
Okay. Not bad, huh? Well, I guess I'm gonna have to put this back a little bit just so it can get that brown color.
Look at that. Look at it. Oh,
Can I eat one?
look at.
Watch out for the smoke on the camera.
See? Oh, this guy is. Did you hear that? He's like, "Can I eat one?" Well, look what I said. I just told you guys. This guy, whenever the chef is cooking, he'll be like, "Can I eat one? Can I eat one?" And
Can I try?
he was already doing that. Can I eat one?
Hey,
Anyway,
look what he's doing.
Randy, me to give it up too. Yes. So, Randy, me to give it up too. Me to give it up too. Randy, me to give it up Pompeii. What? Casale? Casalelia? What? What you like? Casalelia? Okay. Me to give it on Guam. Have a day. I'm gonna give it on Hawaii or Hawaii. Aloha. To all the people here in the mainland. Howdy, boy. And, how do you call it? What do you call it? Hey, what are you doing?
Sorry, I just woke up. I'm hungry.
Look at that. It's usually Austin.
That's not how we do it, man. We don't just come and eat. You gotta work first before you can earn your food.
Mario's ready?
You have to work hard to earn your food.
Stop. If you press, I'm gonna
I
beat you.
did.
Anyway, gotta have kapong ni Gaby. What? Abby, Fabi. Yeah, check me out, Abby. Sorry, I have to speak Chuukese for
Hey.
a little bit. And I'm kapong ni Gaby.
No, other side.
Ni Gaby talk cotton nip Gaby video. Kinisou chapur ni Gaby for Abby, but 50 kids none. Fun show that's upload next day video. Okay, next day video. Ready na? Sabor. I have to put over sabor ay kakku. Ikaw ini Gaby kala chuk ikaw chok chuk. Gaby karo. Maybe what chuk. Sabor dito. We would like to have some Chuukese food. Saka piriri. Saka kochotaki. Chukon mirka. Siu kochot chuk. Atin, awes pernah racuk katar kara. Man. We'll see you guys in a bit. Let's see what we got. Alright. So it's done. So there you go, guys. That's the finished product. Now we can go and eat. Alright, guys, it's done. We're gonna go and eat. Okay. 5 minutes Then we eat. No more rice. We don't have any rice. She's not prepared. Okay. Okay. We'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Yeah. I put, let's eat. Yeah, we can eat. We can eat. I told you. Why you piece of this? Let's see.
Hot dog.
There. You can see Mom.
Hot? Ano tama naman? Yung rice is hot.
Okay. Now ready, chick.
Hey, here,
Come eat.
cold rice.
You didn't help me cook and now you're here to eat?
Yeah.
Huh? Same thing with that guy. You didn't help me and all of you, all three. At least I was gonna ask. You guys didn't help me.
I eat it. Don't ask.
Pray. Go over there. Thank you. Austin, you didn't pray, huh?
I did.
Liar.
Oh, fell.
Chapur, don't let us take it. Hey? Don't let us take it.
Can I comment? This rice is hard. There's some more. The really feel like I'm so fried. The hot dog and ribs are good, but the rice horrible. It's cold and hard.
What's this?
Apple. What are you pouring up there?
I thought I saw hot dog.
We were just talking about that. Maraset ate 4 hot dogs.
3.
I ate 1, Mars 1, Austin 1.
I ate 3. It was that good.
You had 4.
I ate 3. Minus 5.
Okay. You two want to close out the video? Yeah? Gloria, you want to close out the video?
Please get away from me.
So Mara said eat all the thing. Look at it. We don't have a lot anymore. Because Mara said eat most of them. That is mine. Okay, Mars, go ahead and close out the video.
Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
What else?
Happy New Year's. Barak.
Comment below.
And then
Comment down below if you guys want to see who can make a better pizza. Ow! Pizza. Ow!
pizza. Oh, okay. Okay, you guys are boring. You don't know how to close the video. How's that? You want to close the video? Close the video. You and mommy, close the video. Let's see if mommy knows how to close the video. Okay, close the video. Come on.
Okay, alright guys, this is the end of the video.
It's Nanito.
Primary mortgage origination. And further
Alright, okay. Where's Nanito? She's on live? Nanito! Wait. Can you hear me, Nanito?
She cannot hear you.
Oh. Oh.
Auntie Lily saying hi. Auntie Lily.
Hi, Auntie Lily and everybody else.
That you don't know?
Okay, go ahead, close out the video, Marlon, Austin.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. And yeah.
Alright, cool. What do we used to say? I mean, what do we always say at the end?
It's ridiculous.
You guys are awesome.
Oh, you guys are awesome, and it's ridiculous.